Good morning. This is call number 2021-4560 in the interest of Axon Scroggins. Please raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
All right. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Johnny Scroggins, and I'm the father.
For the state.
Marcella Turner.
And Mr. Scroggins is the custodial parent. Is that correct?
That's
Yes,
correct,
sir.
Your Honor.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Racy Ballard. Miss Ballard has not has been served or was served on April 22nd, 2020 at 2:09 p.m. at 15720 Garlang Street, Channelview, Harris County, Texas. She did not file an answer. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Further, she was given notice of this Zoom hearing set for today, which was by certified mail, which is delivered to her on August 28, 2020. We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, the state would like to call Mr. Scroggins. Mr. Scroggins, what is the name of the child before the court today?
Axton Reed Scroggins.
And do you recall signing an acknowledgement of paternity for the child?
Yes, ma'am.
And to your recollection, did Ms. Ballard also sign that acknowledgement of paternity?
Yes, ma'am.
And who typically makes the day-to-day decisions regarding Axton?
I do.
And who takes Axton to medical and dental appointments?
I do.
And who attends parent-teacher conferences for Axton as well?
I do.
And is Ms. Ballard actively involved in this child's life?
No, ma'am.
And is there any reason why Ms. Ballard should not be appointed as a joint managing conservator?
No, ma'am.
I'm sorry, let me repeat myself. Is there any reason as to why you feel you and Ms. Ballard should not be appointed as joint managing conservators?
He probably
Oh,
doesn't
yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Hold on.
And
I'm sorry.
Could you explain to the court why?
There's been multiple issues of her being a little bit out of control. So, and a past, some drinking problems and things like that that I'm not comfortable with. So.
And so based off of those reasons, in addition to the fact that Ms. Ballard is not actively involved in this child's life, is that the reason why you're asking this court to appoint you as the managing conservator of this child?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you also asking this court to appoint Ms. Ballard as the possessory conservator of this child?
Yes.
And you are not asking this court to order a geographical restriction, is that also correct, on the child's residence?
Yes, ma'am.
And as of right now, is there private medical and dental insurance available for this child?
Yes, ma'am.
And is it through another source?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you seeking cash medical reimbursement for the medical and dental insurance?
No, ma'am.
So are you asking this court to order the medical and dental cash medical at the amount of $0 beginning November 1st of 2020?
Yes, ma'am.
And when is the last time Ms. Ballard saw Axton?
2 years ago, roughly.
Okay. And so if Ms. Ballard were to want to start visiting with Axton again, would you be comfortable with the visitation starting off as just a regular standard possession and access schedule? Or are you asking this court to modify the visitation for a year first?
Modify it for a year. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And is that due to some of the earlier safety concerns or some of the concerns you stated earlier, you testified to earlier?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
So assuming Ms. Ballard concludes or completes each phase in the modified visitation and access schedule, at that point, would you then be comfortable with this court ordering a standard possession and access schedule?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're aware of what that entails, is that also correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And to your knowledge, is Ms. Ballard currently employed?
Not to my knowledge. I'm really not sure. I'm not.
To your knowledge, does Ms. Ballard have any other children that she either has living in her home or has a child support obligation for?
Not to my knowledge.
Okay. And are you asking this court to order child support in the amount of, I'm sorry, in the amount of $228 each month beginning November 1st of 2020?
Yes, ma'am.
And you are not seeking retroactive child, medical, or dental support at this time. Is that also correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you believe this order to be in the best interest of your child, Axton?
Absolutely. Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking this court to approve this default order?
Yes, ma'am.
No further questions for the witness. I'll pass the witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you very much.
Thank you. May we be excused? Well, I guess that's a yes. All right, Mr. Scruggins, you can go ahead and out. And you should have received the completed document with both of our signatures, and you can hold on to that for your copy. And the judge will sign off on it either, later today or within the week. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. You can log
All
out.
right, you too. Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Maria. Just leave.
I was wondering, somebody was wondering who was ahead of the cases and what. I don't think that's that. He said, well, then it doesn't match up. He said, let me see out of curiosity. And he looked it up. He says, you don't believe who's Longoria. And I just saw it because I didn't, we're like, we got 44 and the next closest is 27. I mean, we're way ahead of everybody. I said, well, it's not me. I told him, I said, it's not me. It's don't congratulate me, congratulate the AGs. They're the ones that's their number, Anyway.